Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a senior account manager at Nextiny. I'm here with Megan, our creative director. We work really closely in the website design process with our clients. And when we start, we always kind of ask ourselves, like, what are people doing on the website? And of course, we need to start with the business goals and working with the clients to understand what is the intention of the website? What do they want to accomplish with it? Whether that's lead generation or driving traffic, it's really important just to understand what the goals are.
Right, so once you have an understanding of what the goals are of your website, whether you designed your website 20 years ago or you just finished a redesign, when you were building your website aligned around those goals, you had to make some assumptions about what the navigation menu should look like, what information should be included on the pages, even down to the page structure of what color should the call to action be and how high should it be on the page. And these kind of assumptions are great, and a lot of them are based on as much data as you know, but you only kind of know so much until you get the site actually live.
Right, so you set the site live, and then now reality hits, and it's like there's people visiting the website, they're taking actions, they're starting to show the behavior of the website a little bit. So using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console, we can understand like the keywords that are bringing people to the website. We can understand the demographics of people who are coming to our website, you know, whether they're coming from the right area, whether it's the right age group. You can do things as granular down to like male or female. So there's so much information to gain once the website's live, and using that information to your advantage to make those changes that you need to make.
Right, so we have to make some assumptions going into the website, but once the website's live, we have actionable data that we can use to kind of continue to improve this user experience, and we can actually understand how users are going to the website. There's tools like Lucky Orange where you can actually watch a user navigate through your website and see maybe where they're getting stuck on or what pages they're looking for that can't seem to find. You can see heat maps of where people are clicking on the page if they're not getting to the call to action that's at the bottom of the page. So there's really granular data that you can use to actually implement and improve your site. You don't have to guess what people are doing on your site once it's live. You can dig into the data and then kind of optimize and improve from there.
If it all feels overwhelming and that you don't know where to start, I think the first place is just make sure that you're tracking these things, and you can do that through using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. And I would start there. Just get that installed on your website. Understand where people are coming from, how they're getting to your website, how they're interacting with your website. Of course, there are other tools like Megan mentioned that you can do some granular data analysis and understand what's going on. But for most people, it's just getting Google Analytics implemented and start tracking right away.